Hey guys, Jody with Only Have One Life to Live. Today we're going to look at the 2023 Keystone Montana 3763 BP. Okay, this is the Keystone Montana 3763 BP. The Keystone Montana 3763, MSRP 138,621, show price 110,897. There's the capacities on this thing and the floor plan. Everything you need to know about this video is in the description below. Here's the front living space. Turn to the right. Looks about like the other one did, other than there's no front working space there. Okay. Go down mid cabin here, mid rig, and let's look at the little counter space here for the kitchen area. Some cabinets here, about 12 inches deep. We have cabinets across there. Full-size refrigerator. Furrion 3-burner stove. All of your power outlets pop up from inside. You also got a little pantry area here. I guess you could call it a
room closet.
Let me get in there real quick. Let me get my arm in there. Here's a little closet area with some storage. And your storage up to.
Oh.
And then there's storage on this other side as well. Good place for mixing equipment. There's power here. Yeah, they got power there. So you can put a mixer or something in here, or your Ninja air fryer. Place to hang your keys, corkboard, post-it notes, leashes, flashlights. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. I'm going to make a right and go into the bedroom and the bathroom here. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, let us know in the comments below what you think about this RV. Into the bedroom and the bathroom area here. Okay, we're headed back on the coach now. So this
they
is
redid the closet area in the bedroom. Put the closet over here with a lot more hanging space.
That's cool. You got some shelves up in the top. Washer and dryer goes over there. But you got full length hanging. That's cool.
Yeah, for those of us that wear dresses.
Sorry?
I said for those of us that wear dresses.
Yeah.
2 sinks, very nice.
Yeah, double sinks. More storage over here for linens or whatever the case may be. Hey guys, if you'd like a more detailed video, just click the link on the top and we'll make sure we get you over to a more detailed video. Let's look at the shower real quick. One-piece fiberglass shower with a place to put your legs to shave or sit down while you're taking the bath if you need to do that for some reason, or taking a shower, I should say. Okay.
People have tried to get that to be.
There's a dinette for 4 people. We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.